This how-to video is going to be on how to update the configuration on a PSM or BSC. I'm going to show it on a PSM, but works the same for BSC. So essentially, from your home page here, you're going to go to your VT3000 core software, and you want to be under diagnostics and this device status. So you can select that here, or you can go here to device status. And then you're going to have all your modules listed out here. So the one we're going to be doing today is this production status module. So I'm going to go all the way over here on the right hand side to where it says options, and I'm going to click there. I'm going to have these options here. So this is configuration is what I'm looking for. And so you can click the down arrow to get a list. So for me, I just have this one. So I'm going to select that one. I'm going to hit this update configuration button. And then that's going to return me to this page. It's going to show as updating on the page. And it depends on the size of your configuration, but like say 10 to 30 seconds, just depends on how big it is. But essentially, once it's done, as you can see now, so now it's showing as PSM input test on that module. And if I go to that touchscreen, it will now show that configuration in there. The other thing that you may see is if you do an update. So if I go over here, configuration, devices, and I select this PSM input test, and I edit it, and then let's just say that I add in another alarm for team lead. Let's make it tool state. So now I've added this new alarm. So now what I would do is hit save and exit. So now if I go to my diagnostics device status, I'm going to see this little update. What that means is that we updated the configuration in the system, but we never updated the configuration on the actual module itself. So basically all you have to do is just click this link, and that's going to send the update to the module. It's going to say updating. Sorry, I didn't click it fully last time. But, and this is again the same thing. It takes like that 10 to 30 seconds, just depends on how big your configuration is. And once it gets it all there, it'll come up and then now your update will be gone. And then whatever updates you made will now be reflected on your touchscreen. That'll take care of this how-to on updating the PSM and BSC configurations. Look forward to talking to you again.